Hello, it's me again from Woodlands Farm. As you can see, that's all the hay we got left. I reckon there's probably about 300 to 400 bales there. We've got the baler in from the field, just checking it over, because we're going to do a demonstration on the summer show. So if you want to see it working on the summer show, come down 30th of June. I've got to check the knotting system out. We've also got the Lister elevator, hay elevator there, which needs some repairs. I've done some repairs around the side, but it needs some new rollers. You can't buy hardwood that size anywhere. Tried everywhere. So I've bought a softwood post there, and like magic, cut it up into 6-inch pieces and lined it with plastic pipe, so that'll be going on there for them. Well, that's plan B. Plan A is Dave Widett at Weymouth is I'm gonna ask him to turn me up a couple of oak rollers. There's one there and there's one there, one there, see, it's all broken. So hopefully we'll have that going by the time it's an old Lister. It's probably about from the 60s. They're not used anymore and you can't buy spares. So I'll let you know how we get on. Bye. Yeah, Dave's made a good job of them. Couldn't do them in 24 inches, so that do in 4/6s. But he's made a good job. So there's a little thank you. Thanks, Dave. Yeah, thanks, Dave. Yeah, thanks, Dave. Yeah, thanks, Dave. Right, here we go then. Contact. Low gear. High gear. Third. And brake. Show on. They're cutting the grass. Well, as you can see, we're at the summer show. The old baler seems to be behaving properly. Just running it up before we have a little demonstration. All seems to be working alright. I checked the knotting. Knotting seems okay. Give it a little check. If you watch it, it's going to be quick. There you go. Can you watch that? There's some of I've done just now. The knots are pretty good. There you go. So just got to tighten it up a bit. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.